You're coughing.
Did you start it?
Yeah, you always ask me that. I did.
Well, I don't know. Adventures in the backyard.
In the adventures in the backyard of the Chernetskys. Ew, what is that?
That is disgusting.
That is gross. I don't think anyone goes back here.
This for like no reason.
Are those planted?
Yeah.
Oh, you planted those.
That big branch thing isn't though.
It is. I planted, okay? And all these little shrubs, I planted those.
Oh yeah.
They're my babies.
Nice try, Victoria. Let's go to this wonderful
other bushes. These are the other bushes in our backyard. How fun.
bushes. Pretty.
So pretty. Oh, look, this is the firewood that we used to use when we had a real fire.
Oh yeah.
Everything we have now.
That one's like a teeny tiny house. But now look at this. Beautiful.
Whatever, but the backyard is.
The backyard is sort of here. Now we're gonna go over to the garden. The garden that is not alive yet.
You have to climb under it a special way like this.
Yeah.
There is an entrance, but entrances are boring. No one cares about entrances. Okay, so these are tomatoes or
Grandpa
planted.
Yeah.
And I think he plants too many. He acts like we have 20 kids in our family. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
He has like 500 in his own backyard.
Okay, now
These are all the peaches.
We are gonna make it cuter though. Like we're gonna do a little.
Yes.
I can make my dad.
Yes. A little brick road or rock road, whatever. This is our landscaping.
Not much landscaping.
and then here, Victoria, take over the camera. Big tree.
Okay, Kalena. In 5 seconds, you have to explain everything else. Ready, go.
Okay,
5.
So this is our pond. Oh, we used to have a lot of fishes, but then the cats and raccoons ate all our fish, and then the pond broke or something.
No, it like dehydrated itself. Oh, this is my little friend.
And then here is
A fountain?
our fountain.
Do you want to turn it on? No. What if it like? It's actually
yeah.
pretty cool with the lights and stuff.
Yeah, because there's lights right
Yeah.
here.
Oh well. Okay, we're gonna
It's so
go.
cool when it's dark.